The Golden Key and the Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time in a quaint village, a young girl named Eliza lived with her grandmother. One day, Eliza discovered a small golden key while playing in the garden. The key was unlike any she had ever seen, with intricate designs and a soft glow. Curious, Eliza asked her grandmother about the key. Her grandmother smiled and told her about a mysterious enchanted forest nearby that was said to be guarded by magical creatures. According to the old tales, the forest held a treasure that could grant any wish, but only to those who were kind-hearted and brave. Determined to uncover the truth, Eliza ventured into the forest with the golden key. As she walked deeper, she encountered various magical creatures: a wise old owl, a playful fox, and a gentle deer. Each creature needed help with a small problem. The owl's nest was tangled in vines, the fox was stuck in a bramble, and the deer needed water for her fawn. Eliza helped each creature with patience and kindness. In return, they guided her further into the forest until she reached a grand, ancient tree. At the base of the tree was a small, ornate lock. With a sense of excitement and respect, Eliza used the golden key to unlock it. Inside the tree's hollow, there was a shimmering chest. When Eliza opened it, instead of gold or jewels, she found a beautiful mirror. Looking into it, she saw not just her reflection, but images of all the creatures she had helped and the smiles on their faces. The mirror spoke gently, "The true treasure is not in riches, but in the kindness and courage you've shown. Your heart is pure, and that is the greatest gift of all." Eliza returned to her village with a heart full of joy. She continued to help others and share her adventures, teaching everyone that kindness and bravery bring the greatest rewards. Moral of the story: true treasure is found in acts of kindness and bravery, not in material wealth.